The Tulpehocken Creek is a beautiful stream corridor in southeast Pennsylvania. Beginning in the foothills west of Myerstown, it flows 40 miles east through 27 communities to the city of Reading. There, it drains into the Schuylkill River and eventually the Delaware River and Bay. The Lenni Lenape who lived here recognized the beauty and value of the Tulpehocken, naming it Land of the Turtles. But the past 200 years of settlement and agricultural use on land, along with building mills, dams, and canals on the water, left the Tulpehocken in poor shape. In several sections, there was little vegetation or root structure holding the stream banks in place or providing shade. Because of erosion, the stream was 3 times wider, shallower, and slower than it should be. Sediments, nutrients, and pathogens that ran off of settled lands polluted the water. Aquatic species died off because of a lack of shade, habitat, and oxygen. The stream was not attaining its designated uses of aquatic life and recreation. In 2018, there was a chance to restore a critical stream section on the Zartman farm property. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation was able to fund a mitigation project, so many partners set off to improve over 1,000 feet of the Tulpehocken Creek. Through collaboration, these partners repaired a livestock crossing, protected the stream banks, placed boulders to provide habitat and stability, narrowed the stream, improved the stream flow, and even planted a 1-acre forest of 813 native trees and shrubs. As a result of funding, collaboration, and hard work, the Tulpehocken Creek restoration had many benefits for water quality, habitat, and the community. Hundreds of tons of sediment were held in place. Nutrients and other land pollutants were prevented from entering the water. Shade, structures, and vegetation improved habitat. Soon, fish and wildlife from trout to pollinators to birds recolonized the area. The riparian buffer will even provide harvestable fruits and increased land value on the Zartman farm. The Tulpehocken Creek project shows the importance and value of restoring our waters. Healthy water is critical for thriving communities, and none of it is possible without awareness, funding, and partnership.